We now come to the award for supporting actor in film. Here to present it is a woman who has the power to put a smile on everyone's face just by announcing she's returning to stand-up comedy. Please welcome the fabulous Deirdre O'Kane.
Good evening, beautiful island of love and equality. Woo! You made me so proud to be Irish this weekend, and it looks like it might be a noble evening too. I'm here to present Best Supporting Actor in Film. I love supporting actors. They love supporting me. And the nominees are
Domhnall Gleeson, Frank.
What? When my grandfather died, I inherited money. He said it was my nest egg. He said I should only ever spend my nest egg on something really important. I want you guys to have my nest egg.
Alan Leach,
You know, in my
The Imitation Game.
admittedly limited experience, women tend to be a bit touchy about accidentally marrying homosexuals. Perhaps not spreading this information about might be in your best interest.
James NESBITT, Gold.
Do I believe this program has the power to change the lives of millions of people? Yes, absolutely I do. It's about having the courage to take that next step, to go that extra mile. My whole life has led to this point. This is why I'm here.
Andrew Scott, Pride.
I'm in Wales, and I don't have to pretend to be something that I'm not. I'm home, and I'm gay, and I'm Welsh.
That's right!
And the IFTA goes to Domhnall Gleeson for Frank. Domhnall isn't here this evening to accept this, so I'm going to accept it for him. I'll be sure to give him a big kiss if Juliet lets me.